Make una hear well. Before white man waka to our land, we go spec your minds. Before church bell start dey ring, Ekwensu no be devil like them dey talk now. For Igbo cosmology, Ekwensu na powerful spirit of strengths, war, movement and protection. Na spirit wey dey guide brave men, hunters and warriors when village dey face danger. Na Ekwensu dem dey call make a stand guard. Ekwensu no dey fear, e no dey sleep. E dey walk for night and day, protecting road, market and people wey get strong heart. Na when strangers come twist our story evil. So my children, no forget who una be. Our spirit no be evil, na our identity. If you know your roots, nobody feel like give out your ancestors. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, like and comment.